Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to compare two popular espresso machines, Bella Personal Espresso Maker and Brim 19-bar espresso machine. If you're a coffee lover, then stick around till the end of the video. We'll compare both the machines in various categories to help you decide which one suits you better. Also, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Bella Personal Espresso Maker is priced at $42, while Brim 19-bar espresso machine is priced at $369. Clearly, the Bella machine is more affordable as compared to Brim's. If you're on a budget and looking for a budget-friendly option, then Bella Personal Espresso Maker is the way to go. Brim espresso machine is equipped with a 1250-watt thermal coil system that provides hot espresso, and a microfoam wand with a dry steam feature for cafe-quality textured microfoam. On the other hand, Bella Personal Espresso Maker does not have as many features as Brim's machine, so for better performance, we recommend the Brim 19-bar espresso machine. Brim 19-bar espresso machine comes with numerous accessories like a portafilter holder, 1 and or 2 cup filters, a 120Z stainless steel milk frothing pitcher, filter cleaning tool, metal tamper, and measuring scoop. On the other hand, Bella Personal Espresso Maker does not come with any additional accessories. So, if accessories are essential to you, then go for the Brim 19-bar espresso machine. Brim espresso machine has been designed keeping in mind the art of making coffee with techniques that have been practiced since 1961, whereas Bella Personal Espresso Maker does not boast of any such heritage. If you're aiming to make coffee like a true artisan, then Brim 19-bar espresso machine is a better choice. Well, that's it for today's video. We hope you now have a better understanding of which machine is a better fit for your coffee making needs. So, which one are you going to buy? Do let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos like this. Bye for now.